The overwhelming island-wide garbage problem continues to be a challenge for stakeholders and residents. Now, residents of one corporate area community brought their political representative and the responsible state agency to a meeting seeking to have the issue addressed. Now, interestingly, the community's sit-down coincides with the observance of National Environmental Awareness Week.
Like dozens of other communities, Torrington Park in South St. Andrew is having a garbage problem.
Two of them drum they may have in my yard full of rubbish now. You know how long they may come out?
It's why they agreed to a community meeting with their Member of Parliament, Mark Golding, and representatives of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, including Executive Director Audley Gordon.
I want to hear from you some suggestions. What you think we could do differently?
The residents had a list of things they wanted changed. Chief among them, garbage collection.
Everybody way in a scheme here have a drum. And when it's full, it's like we don't know what to do. The truck can come in 2 times in the month. That can't hold in here. We want a rubbish truck in here every week. We must can't get a rubbish truck every week.
There was no suggestion coming to address their collection schedule issue as the NSWMA continues to suffer from a shortage of trucks.
They have been promised 100 new garbage trucks. Then COVID intervened. Those are not delivered. The latest we've heard is that we're supposed to get 50 sometime in the course of the next few months.
There are some things that you can do, and MP Golding was spot on. One bag of garbage scattered creates an unsightly mess that 10 bags of garbage properly containerized don't create.
And so, both the MP and the NSWMA reiterated their call to have residents put their waste into containers for periodic collection. Mr. Gordon accepted that stray animals is another challenge in many communities.
We don't want to have stray animals, but this is not even to talk about the stray animals. Even said to you, properly containerize your garbage. And when you do that, you would have made a significant contribution to a clean country. But more, you would have prevented flooding that caused destruction of property and loss of lives.
The residents also asked that more garbage skips be made available. Mr. Golding indicated that once a suitable location is identified, funding for the idea will be considered.
You know, we just have to keep at it and try and improve where we can, and hopefully additional trucks will be provided to the Solid Waste Management Authority, which they've been asking for, so that they can increase the frequency of collection. And that should, I think, provide some easing of the problem.
National Solid Waste Day is June 6. It's part of a week of activities recognizing National Environmental Awareness Week, which ends on June 8. Herman Green, TVJ News.